That is the new M Transition music video pack from Motion VFX. It includes 60 music video transitions, but you can use them in anything. This pack pretty much has every transition that's on the market right now, all in one place. Me personally, I was just in a hole 10 music videos deep, and thankfully the M Transition music video pack helped me edit those videos way faster and get them back to the clients. We're gonna jump on the computer real quick, and I'm gonna show you some of these music video transitions that I used on some of those music videos, and I'm gonna show you how they helped me edit them faster. So here we are on the website. As you can see the price right there for what it is. There's 60 transitions in here. There's tons of tutorials and things that can show you how to use them. You come down here, you can see some of the styles and the ways that these are used. I love this transition right here. You can add the text, and it does the zoom, and like, it's just a cool transition right here. I love this like paper crumble transition. I think it's really cool. I really like this paper ripple like circle look. It just, I don't know. I don't even know how you describe this. It's like a film-like aesthetic, but that transition, it might be one of my favorites. Another favorite of mine is right here. I don't know what you call this. It's like a film lightly kind of rolling shutter effect. I don't know what you call it, but that's one of my favorites as well. I think this is my favorite right here. This like light leak flash burn right here. This is my favorite. I've used this on vlogs, YouTube videos, music videos. I've used this quite a bit since I got this pack. So as you can see, I don't think that every single one is a straight banger, but there are a lot in here that is worth it to me. I've used them on music videos and they've helped me edit my music videos faster, and not only faster, but better, because I couldn't make some of these transitions in Final Cut Pro because I don't know how to. Here's a music video that I have pulled up that I need to finish actually. All you do is open up the transitions over here, and then you navigate down to the M Transition music video, and then you have all your effects right here. You just hover over them and you can see what they do, right? Just like that. Easy to preview them. It's fire. So I'm just gonna go through here. I'm gonna grab some of the ones that I think are my favorite. I'm just gonna drag and drop them that simple right onto the footage, and let's see what it does. Yeah, come on, bro. Let's change the text. Click on the transition just like that, and you have all the settings for it right here. So this text right here, let's say the name of this song is You Know It. So let's do capital You Know It. Let's bring the size down. Let's go 400, no, 450. Can we, yeah, we can move it right there to the center. That's hard. That's dope. All right, take that off. Let's do the crumpled paper. You drag it on, and it's like already set to how long it should be. Fire. I don't even know how I would make that if I was trying to do that on my own. I'm not even trying to like big it up. I really just think it looks dope. So if you just click and drag this out, you can make it longer as well. And I think that's really cool. If you want it to go faster, you can pull it back like this. So let's do 6. And does it really fast? That looks dope, bro. You can't convince me that that's not dope. All right, my favorite one is this light leak. I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna drag it in here. This is something I've used multiple times on videos I'm about to show you, and just YouTube videos, everything. I love this one. So it kind of like stretches and distorts the image on the first clip and fades it into the next one while putting a light leak over top of it, which it looks clean right here on this shot as well. This looks dope right there, bro. You can't tell me that's not hard, man. All right, let's get into actual music videos that I've used these transitions on. So this is a music video that I shot just a few weeks ago, maybe like a month and a half ago, and I needed to get this done ASAP. And as you can see, some of the transitions, there's the, that one is called the Q mark, where it has the holes and ripples film. As you can see right there, I used that to transition from that car scene straight into that scene right there with the city behind him. Let's go frame by frame real quick. It just shows you that underlayer with that like ripple ripped film look, and it goes so fast that it just adds a vibe to that right there. If you come back here, you can see I use that flicker roll effect as well. That looks really cool to transition into this new scene that I introduced halfway through the music video. Okay, so here on this intro, I got a performance directed by Creative Ryan. It's coming in. This is the intro to the video. And then you have that that's called the crumpled paper. Yeah, the crumpled paper into the name. And I love the way that that looks. So you can make it longer, you can make it shorter. I personally have it fairly quick, and it just kind of crinkles from this dark scene into this new light scene with the text coming into it as well at the same time. And it just has a cool transitional look. This is one of my favorites, the crumpled paper, crumpled paper, that's what it's called. Here we go. We got that Q mark effect once again in there. Come to this one. There's my favorite one, the light leak, and it just, from that dark scene to that city scene, it just has a cool, fresh look to it. If I just take that off, you come down to the light leak, it's this one, my favorite out of here. You drop it on, It's that easy. You drop it right on the end of the clip and it affects that first clip into the next clip. Come down to this really cool scene of like looking up at this building, this nice composition. Into this next composition, I have the cue mark again. Boom. It just looks cool. It makes it so much easier to be able to just chop down these performances and then come and drag and drop these transitions right over top of it to give it some more spice. It's just unreal, because when I came to Final Cut Pro, I didn't know what I was going to do as far as transitions because I don't know how to make them and I never did the research. Motion VFX has really been like a savior for me with transitional effects for music videos, because I'm typically just a flash guy. I like a flash and a speed ramp. Once again, I got another video that I recently shot a few weeks ago, maybe month and a half, 2 months ago, and boom, you see it again. My favorite transition, that light leak. I use it on everything. I use it on all these videos. It looks so good. If you just look, it distorts the image and adds that flash. All right, yeah, that's my favorite transition out of this pack, and that's what I used on this actual music video. This is exported and sent off to the client, but let me just show you what some of these other ones might look like on this if I tried it. That looks actually crazy. That echo one goes crazy. It gives like a ghosting effect, a flare, a film like sprocket over there. It kind of is fast. Let's see if I drag it out a little bit and see what happens. Let's do 10. Nah, that's dope. That's clean. That echo is actually hard. I was asleep on that one. This VHS switch, let's put that one on there, because actually this is VHS camcorder footage right here for this music video. So transitioning from this nice DSLR or mirrorless camera to this VHS might be flame. Let's see how this looks. Oh, no, see, that's hard. It makes sense too. Look, yeah, nah, this VHS switch is hard. That's a dope transition. I could have actually used that for this music video. Boom. This screen bulge with this VHS. Let me try this one too and see how that one looks. Hold up. I got some lag. That one's cool. It's not my favorite, honestly, with this specific footage, but I could see where it could be dope. The Luma blur. Let's see how this one is with that Luma fade blur. Drag that on. Boom. Let's play that. Oh, no, that's actually dope too. That looks like ghost, like mask ghosting, and like that Luma effect goes crazy. This is, nah, that's hard. Here's the distortion one. Let's see what this one looks like. Distortion. Oh, that looks dope too. Let's go frame by frame. Yeah, that's actually dope as well. So as you can see, 60 transitions. You can easily drag and drop them on these music videos. I've used them to make my music video editing speeds faster and to make the videos just look better and cooler. But not only can you use these on music videos, you can use these on ads, commercials, or any type of stylized video project for anybody, not just music videos. And that's what I do too. I use them on my YouTube videos, like right here. But I wouldn't even tell you guys about them if I didn't believe in them or use them myself already. Motion VFX gave me a link to put down in my description for you guys to go check these out for yourself. I'm telling you, you got to see it for yourself. Me showing you is one thing, but you checking it out is another thing. I'm telling you. All right, last thing, I wanted to come and put this film dirt on this video right here. I like this video. I'm excited to finish this video. I just want to see how this one looks on here. That's hard. Come on, bro. Let's go frame by frame. Not only that, I have this dynamic video effect in the M Music Video 2 pack. That's in a whole nother pack for Motion VFX. You can see that was already on here. I was using that anyway. That makes it zoom in and give a dynamic look over top of the video. That's a whole nother pack, a whole nother situation. Transition into the dynamic. Come on, bro. I like that one. I would use that one on this video. All right, let's try my favorite one real quick. Light leak. Oh, come on. It works perfect. It's orange and red, and then that scene right here in the kitchen is like an orange tungsten lights. Yeah, like, come on, bro. You cannot beat that. If you want to edit videos faster, you want to have stylish transitions that you may not be able to make on your own, this is the place to go. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. I hope it helps you make better music videos, and stick around. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. I'll see you guys in the next video if you stick around, and we're going to be making better videos together. All right, peace.